In this video, I'm going to show how to import a virtual appliance with PowerCLI 4.0 U1. So we have this new commandlet called import vApp. So if we take a look at the help of that, we see that we need a few arguments. We need a source argument, which refers to an OVF file. We need a VM host argument, which is an ESX host, and we need a data store. So let's see about how we do that. First of all, the first thing that we need to get is the actual virtual appliance. So this will come in the form of an OVF file with one or more VMDK files. Next, we're going to need to get our ESX host. So we do that by saying get VM host. And depending on how wide your screen is, some of this may get truncated or not. So if that happens to you, what you can do is say pipe that into select name, and that'll give you the name of the hosts that are available to you. I'm just going to pick one of these at random. Let's say we'll go with ESX 08A. The last thing we're going to need is a data store. So let's get that, and we can just pick one of these at random again. So let's put it all together. We'll say import vApp, and we'll say -source. And the helpful thing here is PowerShell supports tab completion, so I'll just say / hit tab, and that'll tab out to my OVF file. VM host will say esx08a.vmworld.com, and then the data store will say, we'll just pick one of these at random. Let's pick the second of these two, and that's all there is to it. So let's see what happens. So that goes about and does its thing of importing that virtual appliance. Pretty easy stuff. And this opens up a lot of interesting opportunities if you ever need to deploy ESX, but not just ESX. You also want to deploy some VMs on top of a brand new ESX system. If you put those VMs into OVF format, this command makes it very easy to get those vApps in place. So it can make it very quick and very easy to deploy a complete ESX stack. So let's just let that run through. Okay, now we're done here, and we see that we've got a new VM called VMA-OVF-etc. and it shows up in my list of VMs when I run get VM. I can power it on, I can do whatever I want to it from there. So that's pretty much all there is to it. It's pretty easy to import virtual appliances with PowerCLI 4.0 U1.